I'm sure if you're anything like me or most of us that work in sales and business, there's probably one or two deals right now that you really want to close, but you're just not sure if it's going to happen, and your confidence is getting lower and lower every minute that goes by. Here's what I want you to do. Little exercise. I do this all the time. When you're not sure about a piece of business, when you're feeling less confident, quickly ask yourself these three questions. Will I be better off if this deal closes? Of course. I'm going to make 75 grand in commissions. Of course I'll be better off. Will the other person be better off? Yes! If we can get our new software in there, they're going to be able to get more done. Their employees are going to love our CRM. And lastly, ask, will the world be slightly better off if I close this deal? Yeah, it will. I'll make my commissions. Their people will be able to get more done. And they're going to be able to service their customers more quickly. And they work in the medical industry, so they're improving people's lives. The next time your confidence is dropping on a deal, just quietly ask yourself, will I be better off? Will they be better off? And will the world be better off? You're going to find the answer is yes to all three. My name is Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.